Hello you guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this dual tone scrunchie. So I already have a tutorial on how to make a basic extra fluffy scrunchie, and I will leave a link in the card above if you would like to check out that tutorial. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So the materials you would need for this tutorial, any yarn of your choice. I'm using these shades of blue, turquoise and sky blue. You would also need your hook. I'm using a 5mm hook, so use any yarn that you have available basically. And then you would need scissors to cut and a darning needle to weave in your ends once you're done. So, and the last thing you would also need is a hair elastic. Any hair elastic you use will be nice, but this is the kind that I use. I use the one that doesn't have, is like a cloth that is cut into tiny pieces. It doesn't usually have any beads or any gum that is used to attach it. This is the kind of elastic that I think is perfect for this scrunchie. Okay, so once you have all your things, the first thing you want to do is to grab your first color and make a slip knot, and then insert your hook into that slip knot, and then loop it around your elastic and chain just to attach it. And so for the pattern I'm working with, we're just going to go into the elastic and make 40 single crochets. So the first round is 40 single crochets, but since I'm working with two colors, I'm going to make 20 with this and 20 with the other color. So I'll make 20 single crochets. So just insert your hook into the elastic, pull up the yarn and make a single crochet, and then repeat that until you have about 19 single crochets. And then on your 20th single crochet is when you're going to attach your new yarn. I'm going to attach my other color here. And then I'm going to continue making single crochets. But first of all, I will secure the yarn, and I would also carry it along with me as I walk. I'll be carrying the other color along with me, and I'm going to walk over it as I walk around the elastic. So you would also make 20 single crochets with this second color, and then once you get to the end, once you made your 20, you can just slip stitch to the first single crochet. So I also want to mention that as you're carrying along your other yarn with you, try not to pull it too tight so that it is not too stiff when it's time to use it. So try not to pull the yarn that you're carrying along too tight. Yeah, so once you're done with your first round, all you have to do is to slip stitch to the first single crochet, and here you also change color to the first color that you were using. And now for the second round, I'm going to make 3 chains, and then I'm going to go into my first single crochet and make 2 double crochets into that single crochet. And so once I have my double crochet, and into all the single crochet of this round, I'm going to make 3 double crochets. And this is like the part where, this is what is going to make your scrunchie very fluffy and full, because of the increases that we're making into all these single crochets. So I'm just going to make 3 double crochets into all the single crochets of this round, of the previous round, and yeah, when I get to the middle, I will change color. So I'll be back to show you how to change color once we are there. Alright you guys, so I'm back, and I have made 3 double crochets into all my single crochets with this color. Now I'm going to change to the other color. So I'm on my last double crochet here, and then before I complete that double crochet, I'm just going to use my other color to make my last yarn over and pull through. Yeah, and that's how you change color. And then I'm going to continue working with the new color while carrying the old color along with me. Okay, please don't forget that part. Make sure you're carrying the color along with you. This is the way you are going to be able to change color once you need to. So you just want to continue doing the same thing, making 3 double crochets into all the single crochets until, yeah, and that will be until the end of this round. So I'll make my 3 double crochets into all the stitches, and I'll be back to show you guys what to do next. All right, you guys, so I'm back now, and once you make your slip stitch into the first double crochet that you made of the round, you are done with that round. And now for the next round, I'm going to start by chaining 4, because I'm going to be working with treble crochets now. So we want to chain 4 for the height of your work, and then into that first double crochet that we have, I'm going to make 1 treble crochet. So if you don't know how to make a treble crochet, this is what you do. You yarn over twice, and then you insert your hook into the stitch and you pull up a loop, and then look closely and you see that you have 4 loops on your hook. So now what you want to do is just to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over again and pull through 2, yarn over again and pull through the last 2. So this is how you work a treble crochet. So the pattern for this round is simply working 2 treble crochets into each stitch. So I'm going to make 2 treble crochet into all my double crochets of the previous round. And then when I get to the center, I will change color again, and I would work treble crochets with my other color till the end of the round. So I will just go and do that, and I'll come back to show you guys when it's time for me to change color. So I'm back now, and I have managed to put 2 treble crochets into all the stitches, and now I would be changing color, and then I'll continue putting treble crochets, 2 treble crochets into all the stitches until the end. And I'm still carrying along my old color with me, but after I work a few stitches, I'm going to snip it because I no longer need it, because this scrunchie is made of only 3 rounds. So this is my last round. So once I'm at the end, I'm going to make a slip stitch into the first treble crochet and then fasten off and weave in my ends. I have already done that here, and yeah, this is my finished work. I hope that you guys like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.